So guys, welcome back. And so today, like I said before, we received our Tiege Hanley package, and so we're gonna open it to see how it comes inside. And so basically the box, it's simple, as you can see. It's not I mean, it has a really good looking let's see what's inside. So the first thing is this little green card, and it's from Tiege Hanley, Uncomplicated Skincare. Man, welcome to Teach, something like that, from Matt, I guess. I don't know if you can see that. We got this paper. It's for thank you for the order, and it also comes with a piece paper that tells you how to put it on. Itself, it's black. It comes, you can see inside right there. So this box comes with the daily wash face, so it looks really good. It also comes with the PM bedtime facial moisturizer. So it also comes with the scrub for 2 times per week to exfoliate, and the AM morning facial moisturizer with the SPF 20. And so yeah, this is all that comes with the Tiege Hanley package for the first system. And so I'm looking forward to it. I hope it really works. So if you want to try it out, you can check out Tiege Hanley website. And yeah, I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your like. Alright, thank you.